Family meeting, everyone!
I have something special for you.
What is it? What is it? I want this one! Spend! Spend!
Save? What does save mean, Daddy?
This jar is for spending, fun things you enjoy. This jar is for saving, for your future dreams. And this jar is for giving, to help others.
But why can't I spend all of it?
When I was your age, I learned this too. I spent everything on candy. Nothing left. Zero.
Here is your first allowance, your own money.
I want to spend everything. Let's go shopping.
I want to save everything, every single coin.
Every dollar has 3 jobs. Let's balance them.
1 for spend, 1 for save, 1 for give.
3 jars, 3 jobs, our family promise.
Wow, look at all that candy. I want some. I'll take this, please, and that one. Ooh, balloons! I need a red one. The best balloon ever. Look how high it goes. Wait, where did all my money go? It costs too much. I don't have enough. 1, 2, that's all. I spent everything.
Hey, sweetheart. It's okay to spend a little.
How about one small thing, something you really like?
Maybe just one little sticker, just one. How much for this one, please? Here you go.
So, what did you learn about money today?
I spent too fast. I should have waited.
I saved a lot, but I was scared to spend.
Week 2. Here is your allowance. Choose wisely.
Okay, this one for save, this one for spend.
I made a chart. We can track our savings every week.
My first gold star! I did it! Look, I have more than last week. It's working!
Good morning, everyone. I have exciting news today. Our class is going to help the community garden.
Me! I want to help. Pick me! Pick me!
Look at this garden. We can make it even more beautiful.
Anna, we can use our give jars. This is so cool!
But that's my money. I saved it. It's mine.
And then the teacher said we can help the garden.
See this? Balance. Not too much saving, not too much spending.
Saving is good, Anna, but money should help you live too.
Look, Dad, my save jar is getting heavy now.
Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Nice and smooth, Jack. Long strokes. You're doing great.
Gently now, push the roots into the soil. Perfect.
This is my gift jar money for the new playground. 1, 2, 3, 4. All my give money.
It's okay to feel scared, sweetheart. I felt it too once. When I was little, I gave my favorite toy to a friend who had none.
I am so proud of both of you. So very proud.
Dad, giving feels warm, like sunshine inside. Giving feels warm right here.
Anna, can you pick 3 red peppers? Jack, hold the bag.
I want that!
My spend jar. Let me check. Not enough.
I can wait. I will save for it the right way.
I don't need it right now. I have enough.
We did it, Anna. We said no.
A few weeks later.
Tonight we celebrate. You have learned something very important.
I learned that spending too fast makes you feel bad after. And saying no is hard, but it feels really good after.
I was so scared to give my money away, but then it felt warm inside. Giving is not losing, it is love.
You make me so proud, both of you, my beautiful children.
I have one more surprise for you tonight.
These are my jars from when I was your age. My father gave them to me.
And now I pass this to you, my children.
Dad, these are really old. Your dad gave these to you?
Three jars, 3 jobs, 1 family. Now it is yours forever.
Three jars, 3 jobs, 1 family.